Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Countertop Water Filtration System? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Countertop Water Filtration System on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Per Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. While this filter works with many sinks, it will not work with popular pull-down or handheld faucets. Using a faucet mount is an easy way to filter water directly from the tap. The Per Plus Faucet Mount uses a filtration method called ion exchange along with activated carbon. Activated carbon helps remove chemicals through adsorption, a process in which pollutants are attracted to the carbon. Ion exchange uses a resin to replace harmful ions or impurities with less harmful ones. This model is certified to reduce impurities, along with chemicals like chlorine that can give your water an unpleasant taste. Another plus for this inexpensive faucet mount is how simple it is to install and use. You can attach the filter to your faucet on your own without tools or a plumber. The filter has an on/off switch, so you can decide when to turn on the filter in case you'd like to only use it for drinking. It also has a change, which occurs around every 3 months. Number 2. Aquasana Countertop Water Filter. Transform ordinary tap water into a clean, crisp beverage with this countertop filter from Aquasana. Certified to NSF/ANSI standards 42, 53, 401, and 473. This system reduces contaminants including mercury and lead, asbestos, chlorine, chloramine, cysts, and estrone. Clarium technology, activated carbon, catalytic carbon, ion exchange, and absolute sub-micron mechanical filtration. Preserves naturally occurring minerals that your body needs, including calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Reviewers love how easy this is to install. Simply screw the faucet attachment to your sink and enjoy clean water straight from the tap. Another plus, fewer filter replacements. One Aquasana Clarium filter lasts 6 months, or through approximately 450 gallons of water, whichever comes first. If for some reason you're unhappy with its performance, there's a 90-day guarantee and, separately, a 1-year warranty. Number 3. iSpring CK Cone Countertop Water Filtration System. This compact filtration system from iSpring has a modern design that looks subtle, yet sleek on any kitchen counter, whether that's in your home, apartment, camper, or RV. In addition to white, it comes in a transparent purple option, too. iSpring says its coconut shell carbon block filter lasts 6 months and removes 95% of chlorine, odors, sand, silt, sediment, and rust. The company also claims it's highly effective on volatile organic compounds OC5, like pesticides, herbicides, and industrial chemicals. While this product is not certified by NSF, it has been tested by the Water Quality Association, WQA, to meet NSF/ANSI Standard 6. Beyond the removal of contaminants, this product is easy to install. All you have to do is remove the aerator from your faucet if it has one. Connect the diverter valve. 2 adapters and sealing washers are included to match either internal or external threads on the faucet, and turn on the water until it runs clear to flush out the loose carbon. Turning the diverter handle in line with the connector gives you regular tap water, while moving it perpendicular to the connector gives you filtered water to drink straight, bake bread, use for coffee, and more. Number 4. RKIN AlcaPure Zero Installation Purifier Reverse Osmosis Countertop Water Filter. Some studies suggest that high levels of fluoride in drinking water can damage teeth and weaken bone 7. Fortunately, there are certain water filters that can remove most of the fluoride present in tap water. This model, in particular, does an excellent job of that, as the company claims it removes up to 95% of fluoride and up to 99% of other contaminants from tap water. No installation or assembly is required. The filter sits on your kitchen counter, and all you have to do is load tap water into the front. It filters the clean water into the top of the unit through a 4-stage process, including one of the most efficient reverse osmosis filters. The process takes approximately 15 minutes for a half gallon of water. Of note, the company says this device is an NSF/ANSI 58 certified reverse osmosis membrane, but it is not a fully NSF certified product. According to the NSF database, customers love the modern, stylish look of this countertop water filter. It is also compact, measuring 9.5 x 14.5 x 16.25 inches. Unfortunately, this filter doesn't come cheap. It's on the higher end of available products. The 3 filters must be replaced about every 12 months. and the reverse osmosis membrane 9 must be replaced about every 2 years. Number 5. Express Water 3-Stage Whole House Water Filtration System. Whole house filtration systems are expensive, and you may need a professional for installation. Whole house water filters can be helpful if you have hard water or want to remove large sediment or dirt that may be in your water. If you're only interested in filtering water for drinking, you may be able to stick with an under-the-sink filter or a faucet attachment. However, if you use well water, your water has a strong smell, or you would like cleaner and better-smelling water for your entire house, then a whole house filtration system like this one from Express Water is your best bet. According to Elizabeth Barnes, MS, RKIN LDN, a North Carolina-based non-diet dietitian of Weight Neutral Wellness, whole house systems not only provide you with clean water, they can also extend the life of pipes and appliances such as your dishwasher and laundry machine. This Express Water whole house filter removes heavy metals, chlorine, rust, pesticides, dirt, sand, lead, and other impurities. Some whole house filtration systems can impact water pressure. This filter, however, is designed to have a high flow rate, providing up to 0.25 gallons of water per second. While whole house filtration is a more expensive option, the filter only needs replacing every 6 to 12 months. If you don't need a whole house filtration system, we think one of the other options on our list will be a better fit.